I almost got it. Oh, yeah. You almost got it. Shoot, shoot.
Yes.
Here, go, go.
Go, go, go.
No, through here, through here. Open the gate, open the gate. Come on.
Come on, come on.
Whoa, run. Keep going. Is he coming?
Maniac.
I think we're good.
Maniac.
Come on.
Run.
He's behind us. Oh, keep going. This way, this way, this way. Oh, okay. Okay. Shoot. He's still there. Let's go, guys. Okay. He hasn't seen us yet.
There you are, man.
Oh, frick! Come on! Go! It's too late for Jeremy! We gotta go! It's too late! Oh no! He's got him!
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Jeremy.
Is he's okay?
Whoa.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh. What the heck was that?
You okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
See your leg.
Wait, he's not.
Looks okay. Looks good. Okay, well, we got ready from now. Let's go. Let's go. Oh gosh.
It's bad.
Just keep going.
Whoa. It's so fast.
Oh, this is so fast! Whoa. Oh my goodness! Here, here. Go, go, go. Just stay there, okay? We don't want your help. We're okay. Stay. Go. I think we got rid of him. I think we're good. Okay. Guys, we gotta wait here. I can't go. I can't go any further. We gotta wait here.
Behind you.
Oh, looks clear. I can't go any further.
Hey, Tom.
This is no. This is it. I'm done. I'm so done.
Hey, Tom, listen. We gotta go. We gotta go.
No.
We gotta move.
We can't go.
Go, go. Whoa. Hey, Tom. We gotta go.
No. Go on. Get out of here. Okay, I don't need any trouble here. No, it's okay. It's okay.
You got it. Let me help.
It's fine.
Come on.
Go. Jim, I'm sorry.
Here,
Do we come here?
here, help me up.
Let's see if he's still alive.